Hey everybody, it's Bill Jenkins here at SkipperBud's in Lake Geneva. I'm going to take you around our ATX 22 Type S today. This boat is mostly used for water sports, so your wakeboarding, your wake surfing, your tubers maybe, and your skiers can all go off of a boat like this. Let me walk you around the outside of it. You'll see that, you know, everything here, we've got a really cool color scheme with the red and black and the white coming in, the black tower to kind of match the body, black matching trailer with this. As we come around to the front, you see that we've used kind of a thicker floor front end rather than a pointy bow, and which gives us more seating up front. A nice deep hole to be able to get down in the water when we put weight in this boat. And the paint scheme on this is just so neat. This boat does come with a tandem axle custom trailer with custom wheels. The big thing now is to take a look around the back of the boat. So this is where all the action happens. So if you look underneath our swim platform, you'll see that we have a left, right, and center tab. And those are what's going to be used to control either your wakeboarding, your skiing, or the side tabs that we help to use control your surfing and put one wave on the side or another. Well, they all work together in unison with the onboard computers I want to show you in the captain's helm when we get in there. You'll see up here we have a beautifully finished deck with what's they refer to as sea deck. So it's something easy to wipe down that carries up into here. And you'll also notice that we have seat back cushions on here, which means that while you're in the water, or if you just want to dip your feet in the water, you can go ahead and sit back here. All the boat's in motion. I'm going to take you inside and show you the interior, and I'll also show you the engine. So the power plant in this boat is a Raptor 400. Definitely a strong boat for a strong engine for a 22-foot boat. So these are the ballast bags on each side back here. This area is easily accessible. This is what's going to give your boat the weight to be able to do the surfing or wakeboarding you want to do. And this big blue baby is going to be able to tow you doing it. Welcome back everybody. I'm here inside of our 2022 ATX 22 Type S. Showed you the outside, let's take a walk around the inside. So to get into the boat, they've taken and they put a real nice center walk through here. You can walk through and simply step down into the boat. We have a seat right here. All of this can be storage. So we see our storage areas that are underneath the seat. We have the ability to put headrests in different spots so people can face backwards as well. Handles along the side. When you get in a boat like this, a lot of times you're making turns and going fast. Folks want to hold on to that. We have our two giant speakers here to be able to crush out the tunes while you're behind the boat. We talked about this tower from the outside. This does fold down, so with a twist of two screws, this can go flat. Our board racks, okay, so if we want to keep those wakeboards and surfboards out of the boat so we have more room for us in it, we can do that with these. This chair does slide along here and is reversible, so folks can watch skiing along the back of the boat as well. A big deal with these boats, and it's nice to have, is this boat is set up with sea deck all the way through it. So this stuff to me doesn't get as hot. I've had boats with carpet that gets, you know, pretty darn hot, and this can be a lifesaver. This is the captain's helm. So at the captain's helm we have everything from our throttle, which has our trim up and down, which is going to basically move your center tab. You have a bolster seat on here, so when you're coming into docking, you raise that seat up, or when the boat is up on plane, when you're pulling a surfer, you can get that bolster up and get yourself just a little bit higher above so you can see over the bow. Also on here, ATX runs a digital touch system where you can basically have a screen, and then you can take and set the boat up for what you want as far as surf, wakeboard, ski, and like I said, maybe even tubing. as we come across, there are, next to our ignition, we've got a couple other buttons down there. One of them is for a horn, I know that. This is a power charging station, an awesome feature to be able to have. This was a nice add to this boat. Drop your phone in there and it's automatically going to be charging while it's running the Bluetooth and keeping everybody going on the boat. You have things throughout the boat, more storage, glove box, keep your paperwork in, and those boating things that we need just in case we get pulled over. If I come through here, this is a split windshield, so I have the ability to close this off. Very helpful on those days when it's splashing and coming through. The front of the boat itself is set up kind of in a similar way. You can get in off the front of the boat, or you can get off on the front of the boat. You have room for people to be able to lay facing forward on the boat, or put a filler cushion right in here, and this whole area can be filled with cushions. So a lot of flexibility in the seating options inside this boat. Too many features to mention, I'm sure. Is what I would recommend. Give us a call here at SkipperBud's out in Lake Geneva. Ask for Bill or Zach. Be happy to take you through this boat or any of the boats we have here and answer your questions.